Just trying to find an airplane. I can't fly these things. Just give me a minute. Ooh. Jesus. Keep it straight. Straight. Up you go. Fly. No. Oh. Up. I'm going to crash this thing. It's not going up. These Google Plays. Crash. Oh. Finally. I'm up. That was a bit difficult. Where have I got to go? Oh, this way. Follow the arrow. I bet I can't land it. A bit of luck. I can't even land it at all. Keep us straight. I'd be no good pilot, wouldn't I? Probably be a better wrestler than a pilot. Because I've got the muscles for that. I love my own private jet. But not in a snobbish way though. I love it. Just to ride out somewhere. I'd love to do it. Come on. A bit faster, airplane, quick. I'm not very good at driving. Keep going. A bit faster. I can't even land it. Well, it helps you anyway to land. A bit lower so I can land it. Bit lower. I probably won't land it properly. I'll probably blow up. I'm doing it on my bed. That's why you can't see me. Fly. I'm flying into the moon. Well, actually, to the ground. Faster, plane. Faster. Bit too late. I'm not going to make that. I'm going to crash. No, I'm not. I cheat and put this on. I cheated. Got the own coins. 5,600. That'll be do. Let's see if I can do this one. Right. Yeah, probably do the same thing. Let's try this one. Go. Do. I'm flying a plane. Woo! And we're off. Up, 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 up. No. Lift up. Lift. That's better. It does it at the last minute. Oh, and it makes me not think I'm gonna go up into the sky. Right, follow it round again, all the way round. Actually, this way, I'm gonna crash into the mountain. Right, let's go this way. Trying to land a plane is very, very difficult, so let's do this. Right, turn around. At this point, somebody's got to help me try and fly a plane in real life. I would want to achieve my goals. So, go all the way around. It's quite slow. Come on. You get agitated at these games. I bet everyone does. Aha, there we go, straight ahead. There. Took quite a while though, it's quite slow, this plane. I choose the most rubbish planes. Honestly, I do. I might even land in the water. I can at least try it. It's still there. It's going to take me a while to do this. I'm going to finish the recording now.